a sense that you are, you know, a squared away Minuteman, but also is a secure way to carry the rifle and have complete control of it. I can use this carry whenever I'm swinging the rifle from my front to my back, which we'll talk about later in the sling manipulation portion. And also I can bend down, I can control the muzzle that way. It's just a very comfortable way to carry the gun, and it's one of my favorite ways to carry. Whenever you run with two hands on the rifle, most time you see guys wanting to swing their arms, but their hands are glued to the rifle, so it ends up swinging the rifle and flagging people. So this is why I like this carry, because it just makes it a little bit more responsible with my muzzle control, and it allows me more momentum for my arms to be able to run from point A to point B.